What is up YouTube? My name is Alex Banega, and in today's video I'm going to be reviewing the graphical design, basically how good something looks, and also the general product on Product Hunt. So I like to just go off the top 3 top trending products on Product Hunt for today, and let's dive straight into this because I like to keep my videos under 10 minutes, guys. So alright, so we have Hyperping 2.0, DJI. And I want to make sure I don't do any of this promoted shit because I did that on accident like a few days ago. And promoted is just basically you can pay your way to the top. So I'm not interested in that. So we'll do, I like this little animation thing. So we'll do ASAP for Zoho Desk 2 NES.CSS. So let's dive straight into this. First off, the coloring right here for this avatar, very clean and beautiful. Kind of reminds me of like Zingle. I worked on Zingle last year summer, and a lot of that color, it feels like, especially the ads, this isn't, I don't know if I'm doing a good job of showing you guys the color, but like this green right here, right, stuff like that. Anyways, I just reminded me of Zingle. But anyways, website, let's check out the website. So the website for hyperping.io, that's a cool domain. So off the bat, I really like it. I love the logo. Something about that little chart makes it look really nice. I do like these graphics right here. The background is on a slant, kind of like Slack, right? I do like the offset of the graphic on the left, nice little background color, and then content on the right. It very simple, trains the eye to just go from right to left, very clean. The sections are a little short, like right here, just height-wise. I would have liked to maybe seen, I don't know, 200 or so more pixels top and bottom. It feels a little scrunched together. But overall, very clean site. Right, let's see if it passes the mobile test, which it does. Very clean site, right? They're definitely on the conservative side. They didn't go crazy, but this is not ugly by any means at all. So as far as like a scale of 1 to 10, I'd give this a solid 7, guys. There's nothing wrong with it. The use of color is very clean here. Nice little hover effects. The graphics, they're not taking a big risk as far as creativity is concerned. Maybe that wasn't their goal. Maybe they just wanted to, have a simple landing page that was easy for users to understand what's going on and clean. And if that was their goal, they definitely achieved it. So, hyperping.io, solid job. I like it. Now let's do DJI Osmo Pocket, the smallest 3-axis stabilized handle camera. Okay, so this is some sort of pocket camera. Check out the site. So very cool product shot right here, right? When I first got into design, I thought that this photo, and it might have been, but it doesn't look like it, was actually shot with like that turquoise circle behind it, and then the background was yellow, and then they pasted it on the background of the website. Now this is when I first started, but as I started understanding web design and how things worked, I realized that this is actually just someone holding the camera on like a white background. The designer took out the background and was able to play with different concepts or background colors or even background shapes and put it against it. So the fact that you have this really bright yellow background and then you have this turquoise that stands right behind the actual camera draws the eye right to that. It's very clean. The overall banner area is just very attractive to me. I like it. This is cool. So incredibly small, truly small. So I don't know what this is doing here, but I do like, just a simple layout. You know what it reminds me of? It reminds me of Apple. These like solid icons and then this like simple layout, especially this hero, this sticky header right here with this blue button. Reminds me of Apple just a tad bit. Now this is looking a lot like Apple, right? You have like this super zoomed in version. This is, whoever was the creative director of this project or the designer, the lead designer, the CEO or whoever was in charge of this product and getting it out there, or just in charge of the website in general, probably just gave them one inspiration site, because I'm seeing a lot of Apple on this, but clean. Now, for people who are not into design, they're probably, their mouth is going to water when they see this little graphic, because you're like, oh my god, that's so cool, I want to do that on my website. It's cool, right? It's not like cutting edge, it's not like an animation that like puts the actual camera together and then does that effect or something, but I do like this website a lot. It reminds me a lot of Apple. The only come on, dude, you serious? This is Apple. I don't know if they even, They might have even downloaded the actual website for like one of the products Apple sells and just put it in. Because this is Apple. 150,000% this is Apple. But I like it. Apple's a good website. I copy websites all the time for inspiration. This is just maybe a little bit more copy than I would have liked to see, but overall it's really clean. I like the product shots. I'd give this a low 8 out of 10. I'd give it lower just if I was basing off of, you know, not using inspiration, but it's just very clean and simple. So 8 out of 10 for this one. It looks like a cool gadget and very clean work. So that's cool. We got 2 more. Nest.css. What is this? So this is gaming for, this looks like some online game for CSS. So normal container. So what is it? 14 negative. This is just some sort of good morning that has. Let's see what happens if I type in Alex. Input. I mean, this is a little bit too nerdy for me, guys. I'm sorry. I do work in front end a lot, but I don't understand what this is. The CSS is cool. I'm sure if I do inspect element, right, I can actually, like, this is all made of CSS. It has to be, right? So I could change the background color to red or something like that. Maybe the color to white. I mean, it's cool. It's cute. I don't know what else to say. It's cute. Like, I don't know if I'd spend time, like, I don't know what this is doing for me as far as getting better at CSS, except maybe giving me a little bit of a distraction if I'm like a CSS freak or something like that. But it's a cool website, very unique, right? They're using some like retro gaming for the actual CSS. All of it's made in CSS, so that's another perk. I like that. So I'd give this like a 6 out of 10. Nothing too crazy, but I do like that everything's made out of CSS. So I like it. So 6 out of 10. Nothing bad or nothing too good for this site. So cool. And the last one. So this one I wasn't gonna do, but I saw this little graphic or this little GIF on the actual avatar. So it made me want to, you know, obviously let's check it out. So it's ASAP for Zoho Desk. I don't know what the hell that is, but it says take solutions to your consumers with ASAP. I don't know how that makes sense, but let's click the website. Okay, so the website, first off, I like these icons. They look like they're from an icon set that I know, but they're very clean. Okay, so this website is very short. Number one thing. Let's see if I don't go to this, if I just actually go to the actual website. Let's see. I don't get it. This is there's a lot going on. Your life's work powered by life's work. It seems like the catchphrases are too complicated for me. I still don't know what these guys do. The logo makes it seem like there's some, you know, baby toy or something like that. I'm just not fond of the site. Maybe it's these, and then you have like, what also is weird is like, yeah, they put some time into having these cool icons, and then they're gonna have some like 2001 icons right here. You know what I mean? Under CRM and books and forms. Like, it's just not consistent. I don't know what they do. Not a big fan of their logo. Let's go back to the page that they were promoting. I like these icons a lot. I don't know why they're not consistent throughout the page, but whatever. And yeah, so this is not my type of site at all. So I'd give this like a 4, low 4 out of 10. Sorry, Zoho.com. Just not a fan of it, so whatever. Alright guys, so that's my review on the top 4 product hunts as of today. What is the date? We're on Thursday, but it's the 29th. It's my sister's birthday, so shout out to her. But that's what I got for today. If you guys have any questions, email me in the email below. Would love to hear what you guys think about the overall design / products that are trending today on Product Hunt. But until next time, YouTube, I'm out.